Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And yes, this video seems familiar. It is from Sydney's first retwist, but I'm not going to focus on like the vlog version of it because the last video had me like vlogging with it. But this is going to be more of a tutorial how to locksmith with a little bit of palm rolling and how to retwist your hair. I thought this was an excellent video to show how to actually twist the hair. And first, Sydney's going to start out with a wash and condition. With any hairstyle, you want to start out with a wash and a condition. I don't care where you go, what you do. This is the best thing to do, to start off with clean hair. This video is shortened from the last video, and it's focusing on how to locksmith or palm roll a retwist on locked hair. Sydney's hair is locked in some places. It is 4C in some places, and some places at the top in the front. She does have relaxed hair, so it's taking a little bit longer because we do use water daily, and she actually went swimming, so it caused some of the, she started out with coils, so some of the coils came out, but we're back on track. And I just wanted to show you guys how to retwist with locksmithing, because I think locksmithing is like the best because it gets rid of frizz. So here's Sydney's hair after the shampoo and condition. It looks so good. As I said, some of the coils came out, so she's going to have to get everything redone except for the back, because the back really stayed in. But as you can tell in the front, so we're starting from the back, and she's taking a rat tail comb and she's like combing through it. Then she does a palm roll. I'm going to show you in regular time, then I'm going to show you in slow motion, and some people learn at different speeds. So that's her locksmithing, and then she finished off with the palm roll, and then she's going to clip. And the one thing I like to do is put that edge control on the hair and not on the scalp, because that causes itching. So that's what she's doing here. And she's taking that comb, she's palm rolling it, then twice, then she's going back and forth. That's called locksmithing. And then she's finishing off with another palm roll. So then she's clipping it, and then the way you clip it is really important too, because in the outcome, you don't want your hair to look crazy, so you clip it in a way that it's laying down. Palm roll, palm roll. Locksmithing, what you do with the locksmith, you go, it's like you're using the palm of your hand and your thumb, and you're going back and forth. Your thumb is pushing forward. I'm going to show you again. Parting, combing that product through, palm roll, boom, boom. Now here's slow-mo of the locksmithing. You're using your thumb in between your thumb and your pointer finger. You're holding it with the opposite hand, and you're kind of rolling it through, and the thumb helps you push forward, and your other hand brings it back. And as your other hand is bringing the lock back, the thumb is pushing forward. And that's how you get rid of frizz. And you go all the way down the lock. Look at that. I feel like that is very important for frizz. Some people like frizz, but for those who don't like frizz, you want a locksmith. So now I'm going to let you guys watch without me saying anything, because some people like to actually do this without sound, and you might want to go to grab a mannequin or someone's hair to practice on while you're watching the video, because that's how I learn. I like to do as I go and watch. But here you go. Okay, so here's the outcome. She sat under the dryer for 45 minutes. They're taking the clips out, and I hope this helped someone. I hope this clicked something in your brain and tipped off oh, okay, I see what I was doing wrong. If you need any more tips, I am here. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, comment, share, please like this video, because YouTube understands when somebody likes it, so they can suggest it to other channels and viewers. That's how they do it. But shake your dreads, shake your dreads, shake your dreads. That's her favorite thing to do. I thank you guys for watching, and have a blessed day.